I think it's perfect. Hey Princess Squad, it's T
and Sprinkles, and today we have another challenge for you guys, the Nano Tape Bubble Challenge.
What's a nano tape bubble, you may ask? It's been all over the internet, super viral, and you can make lots of cute things with nano tape. We have our nano tape bubbles kit here.
Go on to shop psilloveit.com to get your own nano tape kit.
It has everything you need in there to make your very own nano tape bubbles. All right, enough talking, let's get started and do the challenge.
In this bowl, we have different animals that we're going to attempt to make.
She says. All right, so I'll pick for you and you pick for me.
Okay.
All right, you are going to be making a dog.
You will be making a cat.
Ooh, how did that happen? So funny, you guys. All right, but there's different type of nano tape bubbles. You can either make it with slime, water beads, water, or air. So we have the options in here. So I'll be picking for you. You will be making
slime.
Air.
Air. Okay, I can do that. You will be making, oh my, slime.
Oh my goodness, so funny.
Ready, set, go.
First, I'm going to cut out some pieces of nano tape and layer them on top of each other to make a bigger piece of nano tape for the base. I got my base, and now I have this strip here that I'm going to make a circle for the cat's face. Some sprinkles. And some slime. This is also available on our shop. Look at that, you guys. Nice, clear yellow slime. I love it. Okay, love the consistency. Not trying to toot my own horn or anything. Feels so good. I could seriously play with this all day long. I have to remember we're doing a challenge, so I'm going to put this inside the circle nano tape and press it down. Then I'm going to add some more sequins. Now I'm going to cut off more nano tape pieces and peel off the protective plastic film so they can be sticky and layer it on top of the circle. It's time to cut and trim the edges to make it a circle. Be careful not to trim too closely, or you can have slime that comes out of it.
Let's make a cute dog. First, I'm going to cut a piece of nano tape and fold it to create a pocket. Next, I'm going to add some cute blue sequins. Now let's insert my straw, press to seal, and remove the clear plastic film cover. Let's heat for 30 seconds. Let's blow it up. And here I have my face, and I'm just gonna cut these extras. Remember not to cut too closely or it will pop.
Got my face, time for the cat ears. I find that using permanent marker works best on nano tape, so I'm going to make the ears and then cut them out.
Okay, now it's time to make my ears for my dog. I'm using permanent marker to draw it, and then I'm gonna cut them out. I'm just gonna be a little extra and add some sequins to the ears. Now it's time to add the ears onto my bubble.
Last but not least, it's time to draw the face of our cute little kitty. You can also use paint to color on your nano tape bubbles. Here I'm using white paint for the eyes.
Let's give this cute dog a face. Uh-oh, it kind of looks a little like a bunny, but it's a dog.
What do you guys think of my cat? I think it's perfect. Time for some squishy ASMR.
What do you guys think of my little puppy?
All right, you guys, we need your help. Leave a comment right down below to see who is the winner. My cat
or my puppy. That's the end of today's video. Make sure you guys follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official.
And always remember to dream big,
have fun,
and be kind. Bye!